back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. It's 11:20 p.m. here. I want to make shawarma, chicken shawarma tomorrow, but I just think that it's wise for me to marinate it overnight so that when I'm doing it tomorrow morning, at least you spend at least 5 to 6 hours in the fridge. So this is the chicken I'm using. Okay, 1.2 kilo. I'm not cutting them 100%, but I'm just like breaking them. I will do the same thing to all the chicken. I'm almost done with this one. I will start seasoning it as soon as I'm done. Yay, I'm done. Yeah, so I have garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, then I'll add lemon juice, oil, vegetable oil if that's what you have, but I'm using olive oil. Okay, this is the ingredient I'll be using for the marinating the chicken shawarma. We have paprika here, we have salt, we have ginger, we have garlic, black pepper, white pepper, we have flake of pepper. So I will just mix all of them together. You will see the measurement for the calcium. So I'll be adding the yogurt now. The yogurt is 2.5 spoons. It will be better if you use no flavor yogurt, because so it won't add more flavor to your shawarma. I will just mix them together. Okay, I will just add these onions, medium size of onions, and then I will add the same lemon where we juice. So just add this one inside like that, then cover it with a plastic, and then leave it till the next morning. Okay, so I'm done. I was just watching TV. Since tomorrow is Thursday, I usually go to school in the afternoon. So instead of me to just be sitting down, I decide to do this for you guys to see another kind of my recipe, what I enjoy in school or at home, so you guys can also try it. Please, you hear the time I said we are almost what now? Almost 12 now, 11:33. Guys, please help us to share the video, like and comment, subscribe if you never do. Please, we appreciate you all. Thank you, and then have a nice rest. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey. Welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We are still on the chicken shawarma. Remember last night we prepped chicken shawarma, so it's time now to do it. This is how we're doing it today. Please just follow us step by step and see how we do it. Believe me, this thing goes sweet. It goes sweet. Not be small. Not be me again. As you look, please try and do yours and let us know how you go. Okay, see you guys. You see, I just turn it 2 minutes after. This is what we get. And I will just keep turning it. You know, it's not deep frying because you are not deep frying it. That's the reason why you should be turning it all the time. So it will not be burnt, or some parts will be ready and the other part will not. It takes time to do, but you have to slow cook it for it to be cooked properly. It will take a little bit time, but just have patience. So as I said earlier, we have to be patient with it. It's better when you do it on a slow cook, but it will take time. That's what I'm doing now. See, when I was using high heat, it blew up. So that's it. You keep turning until you get the right color and it get cooked properly how you want it. See, some of them you have to keep turning them because some parts will not cook if you are not doing that. Thank you. Please help me to share, subscribe, watch again and again. Thank you. So this one is ready. At this point, I off the stove. And I'm just going to remove them and wipe the pan and brush it out with oil again. Then continue with the last one now. We're almost done. You can see the color they have. I do them in oven at times, but today I decide to do here. So you need to wipe it up like that, and then do the oil again. One oil will be enough to finish it at times, but it don't work like that. It depends on your stove. Okay, if your stove is too hot, then you will need to change it. So this is our last one. See the onions and the limes we used to soak it yesterday. The onions and the lime did a very good job. It smells very good. It smells very good. The taste is excellent. I've been doing this before, chicken shawarma, but I tell you, I never get this taste before. So just I don't know however you do yours, but try this one. Sorry. Okay, so we continue. The stove is still off, but it's still working. I don't want to on it yet. I just want to let it a little bit cool down so it will not just start burning immediately. Okay, I will see you when I'm wrapping. Pray for me. The wrapping is kind of time messy and difficult that at the same time. But yeah, pray for me. Okay. If you are thinking you don't know if it's ready yet, so it's easy. Whatever you are using to turn it, just cut it like this and see. You can see that one is ready. So I'm going to turn the stove off and remove them. This one is the last one we have here. So I'm building a little mountain there. You see, a little mountain. Mountain, please don't fall off. Okay. Okay, I will wipe this one up again because I need to do the pepper, the red pepper and the yellow pepper I'm using inside. Some people want theirs cooked, while some want to eat their own fresh like that. So I'm just going to cook it here for few of them who need it. So if you need your own cook too, you can do some of them. Not really that cook, just to turn it for fire. Some people like it like that, but some do not like it. So I'm leaving some behind for the ones that need it. Do you need to cook yours? Okay, so just give us few minutes. This one will be ready. Just to turn it, 2 minutes. So I will be mixing the ketchup and mayonnaise together. That's the two of them will be using together. So let's just mix it together instead of putting them separate. I didn't make my own mayonnaise though, or neither make my own ketchup. Just the one regular one you buy at the store. That's what I'm mixing together. So we are at this point now. So the thing I mixed together, the ketchup and the mayonnaise, I'm just going to put small one here, then add the chicken, and if you are using the cooked one, this is it. You're putting the red or purple cabbage, the right red in the market. I don't know if it's red. To me, I see it as purple. However you see it, that's fine by me. Just do it. Then I'm adding this one also to this. Okay. It depends on how you want yours. So this person do not need onions. Everybody have what they need. So that is it. Okay. You don't have to put too much. This person do not eat cabbage, so that's why this one will be like this. So however you ripe yours is better than mine. The way you ripe yours, I appreciate that. I tell you, I make the best one. I don't know how to do the ripening, and I'm not ready to stay here and I keep ripening, design and all that. Man, I tried. See, just like this. You carry, you know how to do it, right? Yes, let me put this one here. We're still going to do some. Thank you. This one, eat fresh one. I'm needing a little bit of oil. Mhm. I usually use foil paper to get mine. Um, okay. We'll just wait for it to press, then we can turn the other part of it. So this is the remaining one for today. I'm just gonna put them in the fridge. If you're going to work, you're going to school, just take the kind of bread you like to use it for. Just wrap to your lunch. I go. So that's how I do mine. This one now, I will just wrap it. Already sliced too. Keep it in the fridge. This can stay 3 days at least without changing taste. Yeah. Okay, oh, you can see the two shape where my own turn up to be. See this one and see this one. Okay. When you carry this kind of food go to work, tell me why will you be spending more money when you already have a homemade or give to children to go to school? Thank you all for watching. Please help us. Just help us. Help us. Thank you. Let me see. Wow. This is too sweet, I beg. They go, you too sweet. Just they go, just they go. See, you guys make me to bite the food I supposed to eat in school. Not too much now, not too much. I beg more than try. Help me share, subscribe. Go watch my movie too. Thank you all. Bye guys. It's time to go to school.
Yummy, yummy, yummy taste. We get it too many ways. Cooking food is not a bad thing.